Amen.
Which kind of swag?
See, Sunday worry and leave a baby.
Amen. Amen. You know they had to blow. You know they had to pray to God make you blow. If you sing this Tim Godfrey, amen. You can't sing scale, amen. You can't sing on a chord win. Can't sing all of them. They don't tell me how you know go blow. How
you dey find 12 million where we go pick.
Then when you pick that kind of money, then you go church. God don't bless me, amen. Amen. You go say why they happy. You go say God don't bless
money go swear.
Back to the question why I ask you. Why you drink tea from inside room? Come outside. Why you not there inside? You want me to say they drink tea?
No worry. Nedu, you see this question? I could ask you the same very question. When that thing where you do that time.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
That thing where you do. This big motor when they carry money from bank. When that thing come out, I go ask you question. This thing where you they ask them, I go ask you. Don't worry.
Anyway, now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. We get Tim Godfrey for Inside Studio today. But as we get Tim Godfrey, we go still discuss matter when we say the topic for today. The more topic we talk about now. If now you be the person where see 12 million, you see big money for somewhere where they keep them. Talk through. Like this lady where return 12 million. You go return the money back to the owner, or you go do like IzzyBeat. No.
What thing I do?
No, but wait.
You not do anything, my brother.
IzzyBeat. If not you go return that money.
It depends on where.
My life done better.
It depends on where.
It depends on where I sell.
Like for example.
Let's assume maybe as I go, I see I'm for corner for road, maybe for bush. I go tidy that money. But it's if I go, maybe I can't see for person house or somewhere like airport as it take be at if you move that in a thief, be that now.
No, but if you
wait, if you move on a thief, if you do what for road where move, now waiting.
Maybe in scatter. Then I can't arrange them. Nobody did there. At least now road. She don't understand. Now road.
No, but
that.
how person? No, the question they say. You know they even ask the question. Why person could carry 12 million naira cash?
No, you know say sometimes.
For airport.
No.
I don't talk na God.
Na
God. No understand.
This thing na God send person.
Amen. Amen.
Na God don't want bless you. If you come out here now, as they sing this song now. 112 million naira go there for us. I go help you carry and go.
And this that kind of money, maybe the person use, you know, say when person use left hand drop something. He say, where I skip this thing? No. So the person use left hand drop the 12 million. Say, where I keep that 12 million? No.
Anybody will carry 12 million work up and then maybe you can get plenty for her.
You understand?
So that way you live for that place, you want to go one job blessed.
So my brother, if I'm missing 12 million, make una say nedu na bad person. Yes, I go take the money.
How you go sleep for night?
I go sleep. I go buy bed way soft.
Then you go come drink all those Lesotan.
I go drink Lesotan so that I go sleep. I'll come buy AC. How much be AC? 50,000.
Out of 12
million.
I go buy 12 AC. One go there for door. Two go there for bed head. I go sleep where? Highest if I dey fear, I go just pay tight for inside the money. You know, I said it done better. I can't pay tight, so I can't get protection.
Yeah.
Okay, what if in an airport you see him? Maybe as crowd just plenty, everybody busy. You just see one luggage where they near you, or you can't get them must go. You can't people look at I'm on that money, you go carry them.
See, actually,
because if you just say make you move on like this, the worker they say that time when you want explain say na pick you pick up, nobody will agree na pick you. They'll say, we have been looking you as one. Hey, nedu.
They know they hear anything again.
So now one small line there in between when you go say God bless you and when they go carry you go police station.
And see, more talk to if you say this Josephine now we see the 12 million, maybe she won't move her. Then somebody can say, Josephine.
No.
He said no. I just want to go. Yeah, no, me no.
Now place wisdom they work.
I
just they return and come now they catch me like this.
I just they return them.
They return them. Not be outside they go like this. And they find the security people waiting for outside.
Me collect money. Why now? Me collect money.
I follow me from Benin. Good evening.
You know you go enter for
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm fine. Oh, I'm fine.
Talk through. If now you see that 12 million, you go return them.
Nedu. That question is very difficult to answer.
My brother, it's not any difficult. Yes or no?
Simple.
Leave that thing.
If they ask you for
I'm not sure I will return them anyway.
Oh, you're not that sure.
That
In
means
other
nobody
words,
return
you know, could return them.
Simple.
Katin, I know if you return now.
What are you not talking about?
But as you carry and they go, they can't catch you. As you carry and they go like that, make it a go house. Somebody come pass, say that they look for, what are you holding? You can't say, what do you go talk?
He don't run. Bimbo, good evening. Bimbo, good evening. Bimbo, talk to it. If now you see this 12 million, you go return them.
I not go return them.
Come on now. No time.
No time for wasting time.
Later, but I not go return them.
What if you go take the money to?
I go pay tithes, I go ask them.
This question where Tim Godfrey ask now. Say, if as you come Canada, they go. They come say, we are looking for 112 million. Where do you go do?
Madam, what are you carrying?
Oh, if they come here, I go say I find the owner.
What is the best way to catch you? Say, just a look on here, but I'm going to punch you. Ole!
No, I'm just running outside to go and give the owner. Anyway, people, thank you. From Maryland, good evening. Good evening, William. William, your TV day too loud. Bye-bye. Call us back when we don't reduce volume. Anyway, back to Tim Godfrey. Tim Godfrey, welcome to the night show once more. How the industry on top music matter, because Tim Godfrey, no, man. For my choir for church, now Tim Godfrey, they are for choir. Now be our choir leader. Now they do, and all these choir leader. They carry women. Choir leader.
No, Tim Godfrey no be like that now.
They carry women.
Nice.
Wait, now I don't talk finish. I said Tim Godfrey they carry women.
No, you
I said all these choir leaders. Wait, they go like this.
You go meet me tomorrow.
Oh, humble. See me outside. Oh, humble. See me outside. Oh, humble. You are. Oh, humble.
You shall be humble.
You dey conduct music. You know your mind no pure. Your mind no pure. You don't get very pure mind at all.
No, but me I know Tim Godfrey. No, he's a. But make
you don't say God they in name, so.
Tim Godfrey. So ain't no they do that kind of thing. But how you take the cope with all those sisters for choir? Wait, because normally some kind of sisters they cut I give you. If they come meet you, Tim Godfrey.
No, then they do. Then they meet me.
Now you didn't meet them.
No.
Maybe they fear your face. You know, be like, the person see you outside, you know what thing say they
no, but forget for quiet. This guy and another person. You guy and another person for quiet. You go to fear them. No, sir. No, give me that key. Which of the key? Which bunch of key? Hello, good evening. Who they line? Hello? Paul.
Hello.
Paul, how now?
Fine.
How you there? Are you okay?
Hello.
Paul, are you okay?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. You don't chop this night? You don't chop night food?
I've eaten.
Okay.
I don't eat.
Okay. If now you see 12 million, talk through Paul and shame the devil. You gonna turn the money?
Now two things they there now.
What will be the two things?
Would they hear you?
Now two things they there.
Okay.
If you say we go follow God own, we will return her.
Okay. No. What if they wait, Paul. Paul, wait. What if the sinner so God want to bless you?
Paul, what if the sinner so you don't dream? You don't dream. Because for dream, people they pick money where for dream.
You can't go return waiting God want to bless you.
You think God want to bless you?
That's trouble.
All right. Thank you, Paul. Good luck. Good evening. Good luck from Asaba. Good evening.
Good evening, nedu. How now?
I did fine. I beg, if now you see this 12 million, you go return them?
I go return them.
Okay, good luck. Good.
I go return them because not me get them.
Correct.
Okay, why you go return them? Because not you get them?
Me get them.
Okay.
It will not be your own.
If you don't find the owner of the money,
Hey. See.
I want us to say
wait. Okay, good. Come, sit down. This one. See. Next time they say.
Good luck.
Good luck. He goes. You go say, God has blessed me. Oh, God.
My name has started working.
My name has started working.
But good Lord saying go return. I believe I'm going to
No, I believe you.
Shongo say for Twitter, say my mom once returned 1 million when the excess of her salary when she they pay staff.
It just be like when somebody mistakenly pay money into
my account. I go first, I'm not gonna talk anything. They pay money into my account, I could just leave them. If I was like
some people, they don't go wait 3 5 minutes because bank will call them. They don't go enter, finish everything. When the bank will call them, I was expecting one money like that.
What if it's me return? You return them now.
Today from Lagos, good evening.
For bank.
Hello?
Good evening.
If you don't use that account again.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you dey? Keke me.
I did find my
Ndi
brother.
bego kwan.
I'm not here.
Are we this afa? Are we this afa we say ke gbo anyi no.
Yeah.
Hey, Chukwendo ngwan, if now you see this 12 million, talk through. Your name, make I not talk what I the thing say you go do, but you go return am.
I go return them, Nedu.
Yeah? Chukwendo, you are choking me. Where are you from? Are you an Igbo one?
Yeah, people man.
Why you go return am?
Yeah, because no be my money.
Chukwendo, make I ask you, what do you they do?
They do business.
Which kind of business you they do?
I'm into fashion.
Fashion.
Okay, wait, Chikwendu. So suppose you want to return this money, you don't come see the owner of the money. What do you go do?
What do you go do?
Go give police.
You can give orphanage.
Go give police.
I don't go give orphanage. I'll return it to the authority. Airport authority.
Correct. Chikwendu, you my man.
Carry the money, conquer.
Chikwendu, you my man. You my man. I like people like
Chikwendu, what if God want use that way take bless you?
God know they bless person that way because if God bless you that way, your mind no go that rest. Now pay another person money.
But what if God can't bless you that way? Can't give you rest. Your mind can't rest.
He say mine no go rest. Am I forced?
And now God can't say my brother, my son, God can't appear for you for 3. Chikwendu, rest, rest.
He say no go rest.
But
even that rest, he go wrong.
Even he go say, God, no, I can't rest. It's not my money. That kind of God will just say, nah, get out.
The religion say if there's anything we could help me trace the owner, I could return them. But instead of giving it to the police, I put up. Now what is it all?
Audio from Osogbo, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Nedu.
How you doing, my brother?
Everybody.
We did. Tim Godfrey there inside studio. Katin there. Everybody there for inside studio. I beg, if now you see these 12 million, you go return them?
I no go return them.
Ha!
Audio.
You know I no return them.
Why?
President Jonathan.
Aha.
He get one day when we say one taxi driver see
For
money,
Abuja.
he return the money.
For Abuja.
So they only give him honor. So me, I don't want that kind of honor. They give him money. They don't give him money.
But what you gonna start with the money now?
So if I see that kind of money, I will carry him.
Keep up for your ass. What you go take the money do?
Money will not be your own.
Will not be your own money now.
All these leaders, are they not corrupt? Are they not thief?
So you want to join them?
No be quarrel now.
Thank you. Ifrake from Nasarawa, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Ifrake.
Ifrake.
How is you?
Bye, no, Nedu.
Yeah?
How you there?
I don't fine.
That is my sister, my dear.
Oh, you make me. I'm in Bomba. Me, I don't know.
You there inside, boss?
So, I'm in Nasarawa State.
That's you. That money, me, I don't go carry and go give you now.
But why team there for a name?
I don't get the song.
Katin, no, because
It's okay.
would I hear you?
No, they spawn Nigeria.
They spoil this country. Thank you. If not me, I go return the money. I know myself.
I don't even touch yourself.
I'm not going to touch the money. If I see him, I go say, oh, 12 million.
But that's the good. The money will follow you.
People, make una come.
People want to come see money. Hey, then the money will follow me. I go say, go back. Don't follow me. Anyway, Tim Godfrey.
You know, I'm going to ask, why my name, beginning of my name, there for the end of it?
Katim Abio. I don't know. Why Tim there for inside your name?
Oh, so they fit call you Tim.
Okay. Anyway, Tim Godfrey, just come out one new song, Amen, with scales.
That song sweet oh.
As in the song sweet well.
Adam must say hero na one song where I no fit recover from.
Okay.
The lyric they make brain. And Tim get music sense. Adam he still talk and say they feel cool pimple anytime I hear the song.
Thank you, Adam.
Well, before we come to Amen, you don't get into music industry for how long now?
Wow.
You don't take, bro.
You don't take, like how many? If you go like.
So you be done now? Done.
Why is that called a shrine?
No.
No, anybody who they done anything, if you never get money, you don't let.
My brother,
very sad.
Done, yes.
Now forget the done. It's very raw. Done not dead yet.
Nothing done.
Nothing done inside.
Raw anyhow. I think I beg money and never give me weight. If I don't done, everyone knows I don't done. Person they give you a bell like this because they don't done.
My brother, leave that thing on.
See as you fresh like this now. Your own you have to chop remain.
You don't pack home for outside.
Shehu from Kano, good evening.
Good evening.
Shehu ya keke.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Ya yo ya aiki ya argoki.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, everything.
Keke, I want to ask you a question first.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Tana jin ka mana, tana jin ka, she dey hear you.
You will return the money.
Aha.
I'm him.
You.
Yes. Yes.
Why?
Because I'm a good citizen of Nigeria. Why I no go return and make a forfeit sleep for night now?
Why are you returning?
That now my honor. I don't know what
he no go return.
He say he no go return.
I know the first person where you talk with the giver, no be honor.
Eh?
Say the other person.
The first person where you talk with the giver, no be honor.
It is better to be honorable.
It is better to be honorable
than to be a thief.
Shehu.
Because I need that money. I know come up for that place.
Shehu, don't worry.
Shehu, thank you.
It's in the pension. By the way, when the person carry 12 million, they walk up and down.
I don't know. Shehu, don't worry now.
No, if it be say, if it, what do you want?
Everybody who does they'll carry this money, Imagine you don't carry the money, you don't reach house. You can't do like this, you say, Then the next you go here, come for your door. You just see government, just stand. They just open the door, come, hello, we saw you came into this house with a bag of money.
Man.
You say,
Hey! No, come to farm. Then later, people say get the money because say, we saw camera, you took money. Go say, okay. Hey! I take a but they don't take a.
You go see greed.
Where you come back pass, where you come take that money? For night, once they go just sing, Katin! Katin!
As you wake up, you come and say, I go to the shout Katin. For where the money day?
For where the money day? Return that money. Instead of make you wake up, make you do. If you do, nah, man. Now people go here. From beginning, good evening.
They go ask you, what do you do when you do?
Good evening, how you doing, my brother?
I'm fine, oh. Please, I want to speak to Tim Godfrey.
Of course, talk to Tim Godfrey.
Tim Godfrey, good evening.
Good evening, Mutiu.
Good evening. This is your classmate from New Breed in Kaduna.
Ha, Mutiu. I don't forget your surname. Wow. Afolabiya now.
Fine.
Wow, long time. I know that I'll visit people like that again. If you collect that 12 million, what you go do?
I'm just happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy. So
Mutiu, if you say 12 million, you go return them?
I don't already tell you that and say I'll return. I no go return now.
Which time you tell us?
Which time you tell us?
Mutiu, no. Me and you supposed to why you no go return them? I'm on Mutiu. From New Breed, from KD City.
You know that you know.
He said you know. Anyway, make we enter market to the come back. Go concentrate on Tim Godfrey and in music. When they come back, he'll have the legend. IzzyBeat.
He said you know, say no.
That's when you go make people go to you too.
Yeah, Tim Godfrey, so which means you too.